We are.
Hi, we are. Hi, we are the Wonder Queens. So we're here at Alfonso. So what is? Alfonso Virus. What is our topic for today, Georgia?
How to navigate. Ano ba yun? In times of crisis, how do you cope?
Yes.
Tama ba?
Yeah.
How do you cope doing business?
Yeah, actually, oo, no. Kasi nowadays talaga, parang lahat affected eh. So nangyayari ngayon dito sa country natin, the price hikes, di ba? Yung government, di ba? Yung nangyayari sa government natin. So, ano yung effect nito sa client mo?
Marami kasi ngayong vacant na mga condo for lease. So, yung mga client ngayon, nag-a-adjust sila ng rate.
Yeah.
So, instead na this amount of lease rate, so binababa nila. Yun yung adjustment ng in times of crisis. Yun yung...
In terms of rental and sales, no? Ako naman, based on my experience, no, dealing with developers, medyo, even developers, medyo affected sila. Akala ko nga hindi, lalo yung mga big ticket clients natin. So, ang nangyayari, sabi sa akin isang client ko, because of the gas price hike, we have to postpone the trippings, the site viewing. So, even the company itself, talagang buong company, restrict sila of doing talagang mga ocular. Because of that, and even the purchase. So, hanggang mag-normalize muna, kahit paano, yung situation, yung sa, yung increase of gas, even madami na rollback. So, still, ganun pa rin. So, it means affected talaga lahat. And even yung may mga talagang budget, client, what more yung small scale.
Nagpo-hold. Nagpo-hold.
Yes, naka-hold.
Decision. Putting on hold everything.
Yes. So, ikaw,
Ako naman, being a broker, so syempre nakikita natin, inventory natin, parang walang movement. So sometimes, it's very disheartening. Parang sometimes mag-discourage ka. So what we're doing right now, we're trying to improve on our skills. Digital skills, tools na pwede na yung magamit. Para at least pag dumating na time na yung market mag-pick up na, mas maganda natin mapopromote yung mga listings natin.
exactly.
Yes. So we're trying to build up on our inventory and we're trying to position them rightly in the market na hindi naman to the point na sobrang baba na, diba? Yung tama pa yung value para in time na gumanda na yung market, maposition natin siya na maayos.
Tama.
Ma-present natin siya na maayos to the potential buyers.
Yeah, that's what we're doing right now. That's why we're doing this kind of, talagang adapting to the social media, world, di ba?
Yes.
Kasi since our client is on hold, so alam nga namang magmukmuk tayo sa bahay.
Nakatende rin tayo.
Or na lang tayo, mag-hold din tayo, which is no. So para to keep the momentum, we have to do something.
Yes.
So yan, ganito, tama yung ginagawa natin, di ba? We educate other people, at least to inspire them also.
And using this opportunity to network, to build our network.
At the same time, when we go around places, like tulad nito, nagko-collab tayo ng mga listings natin in different places. So, we connect.
Correct.
We collab. So, that's the parang mga pwede nating ways how to adjust.
Yes, maximizing the power of connection and collaboration.
And also, syempre, to help each other out, to boost the morale.
Correct.
Alam mo yun. So, yun, that's it.
So parang like ngayon, Tagaytay tayo. So parang
Tagaytay, Alfonso naman tayo.
Chinek natin yung mga properties natin. Diba? And then, ipopromote natin sa mga clients.
Yes.
And also what is important at this time, I think we should also think about strengthening our morale, just what you said. So, naman tayo, yung work naman natin is seasonal. So,
Yes.
syempre maraming affected kasi na crisis. Pero parati naman tayo ganun, di ba? Whole year
We have
round.
survived.
Whole year round,
Survived.
merong season na
Yes.
tahimik na naman, like pag mag-ghost man,
Yeah.
diba? So,
Yes.
expected na natin to. But this is kinda medyo mas mahaba pa for the ghost
Yes.
month. So, what is important, yung faith, yung collaboration, yung transparency, yung pagiging
Optimism.
and also yung in good faith kayo with your partner.
Yes, of course. So, you should, this, in
Strengthen.
times of crisis, di ba, in all aspects of our life, ang kailangan natin gawin, surround yourself more ng mga positive na tao. Di ba? Kasi at least, di ba, lahat kayo, it gives energy na positive. Di ba? So, nagre-reflect siya sa,
Support.
nagre-reflect siya dun sa
Encourage.
positivity ng work natin.
Sometimes kasi it comes to a point na parang, uy, listings ko, inventory ko, hindi gumagalaw. And sometimes, nakaka-discourage talaga.
At saka,
So, if you surround yourself
Yes.
with people na who continue to encourage you, to uplift you, diba? Tapos you help each other out with your listings. So, parang ang nag-boost yung moral mo. Na parang, this is just a temporary thing.
Yes.
And we will get through
Yes,
this,
yes.
we will survive this.
Oo. And one thing, hindi lang tayo. Also our client. Kasi syempre, they feel down also. So napipil nila, wow, even in times of crisis, at least may pag-asa
Masipag ka
ako
pa
kasi
din.
yung broker ko, may pag-asa mabenta yung property ko. So we give them also hope. Diba na lahat tayo may pag-asa. Diba? So,
And also, this favorite ko to, these two shall pass.
yes, tama. And that's my
Super
favorite also.
favorite.
Yeah.
That's my favorite.
These two shall pass.
Yes, these two shall pass. So,
Yeah.
talagang ano lang tayo, tulungan tayo, positive lang tayo, keep the faith.
Keep the faith.
Always pray, do your legwork. Diba? Sabi ko nga, diba, si God, we provide tayo, pero you have to do your part. So, let's do our part. So, that's it for today. So, we hope we inspire you till our next vlog. Thank you.
Thank you.
Keep on shining.